Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents what is Poka-yoke and 3 best practices for implementing. Poka-yoke, a Japanese term that means mistake proofing, refers to any tool or mechanism that keeps a person from being able to perform an action in an incorrect manner. Poka-yoke is used to avoid waste. 3 best practices for implementing Poka-yoke. Keep your eyes peeled for opportunities to use it. Whenever performing a review of a process, such as a standard work analysis, remember to be on the lookout for Poka-yoke opportunities. Standard work is not only about understanding cycle time components. It's meant to be an exercise that helps you collect many different pieces of information, including points of failure that could benefit from mistake proofing. Be creative. There are no limits as to what the right Poka-yoke solution will be for a given situation. Remember to tap the skills and creative ideas of your staff, as they may already have a great solution for you and are just waiting for a person with the empowerment to implement the Poka-yoke. Borrow from others. Look to other processes for inspiration. These processes can originate from your competition, your suppliers, or your customers. Other processes, even ones that may create different types of products, can be a great place to find Poka-yoke ideas that can be adapted for your processes. Also, remember to take a look at the everyday Poka-yoke that surrounds you in daily life. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.